Bid farewell to the traditional hassles of selling real estate and start each day with pre-scheduled, hand-picked appointments, allowing you to focus on closing deals. We handle the intricate details like repair negotiations and listing management. Feel free to concentrate on showing homes and crafting compelling offers for your clients. If you would like to sell 9 homes in the next 90 days, call me today. Here's a list of transactions our agents have done in 60 days. Rob at 15, Lynette at 14, Kyle at 13, John at 11, Kim at 9, Lane at 9, Aaron at 6, and Thomas at 6. So if you haven't done that in the last 60 days and you want to aspire to at least get to 9 homes in 90 days, then call me right away because we have enough opportunity for you.